Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels are raking in thousands of views and making big bucks with their engaging animated videos? Well, today we're about to unveil the secret sauce. The best AI text-to-animated video generator tools that can kickstart your journey to a thriving side hustle on YouTube. But first, let's take a peek at some success stories to inspire you. Check out these YouTube channels. They've harnessed the power of text-to-animation video generators to create captivating content that keeps viewers glued to their screens. And the result? Thousands of views, dedicated subscribers, and a stream of revenue that's flowing in like a river. The best part? You can follow the steps in this video to start your own side hustle. Now let's dive into the tools that will turn your text into animated video gold. First up, we have ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can generate the script for your animated video. Simply give it a prompt like, create a short story about a curious and adventurous cat named Luna, who dreams of exploring the world beyond her cozy home. Describe Luna's character and her yearning for exciting adventures. With the generated script in hand, you can now bring Luna's world to life using Leonado AI. Just imagine Luna with her bright, curious eyes looking out of the window and visualize the town where she lived. To do that, visit the Leonado AI website and sign in or create an account if you haven't already. The featured models at the top highlight various image generation models. You can select one and begin creating images with it yourself. Now, no matter which model you choose, there should always be an option to input your image prompt, text, or a description. Copy and paste the part of your story that describes what you want to create, in this case Luna as a curious cat, with her bright, curious eyes looking out of the window, with her tail twitching with anticipation, and visualize the town where she lived, as mentioned in your script. After inputting the text, initiate the image generation process. Leonado AI will analyze the text and create images based on the descriptions provided. Depending on the tool you're using, you might have options to specify styles, moods, or other parameters. Once the images are generated, review them to see if they match your vision of Luna's world. You can make adjustments or refine the generated images as needed. After you're satisfied with the images, you can usually download them to your computer or save them to your Leonado AI account for later use. If your story includes multiple scenes or settings, repeat the process for each part of the story that requires visuals. Ensure that the generated images capture the essence of the story in various settings. Organize the generated images and prepare them for the animation process. You may need to ensure that the images are in the appropriate format and resolution for your animation software. Remember to explore the specific features and capabilities of Leonado AI's image generation tools, as they may offer unique options for enhancing your visuals. Additionally, make any necessary adjustments to the generated images to ensure they align with the narrative and atmosphere of your story. Step 3 is using Runway ML. This should be your go-to tool for converting text into video. Runway ML is a versatile creative toolkit that can be used for various AI-related tasks, including text-to-video and image-to-video generation. Here's a general guide on how to use Runway ML to create stunning visuals for your story. First off, you'll need to create an account and log in to access Runway features. Next, choose which of these features you'd like to use, text-to-video or image-to-video. Since we already have the Leonardo-generated images, the image-to-video option will be the best choice. Click on it and drop in your generated image. Please note that each second of video generated will cost you 5 credits, so pay attention to that if you are using it for free. Otherwise, consider upgrading. Next, initiate the video generation process and give the AI time to generate your video. You can easily download the video by clicking on the download feature here. Again, if your story includes multiple images, repeat the process for each of the images. The fourth step is generating the audio or story narration. To do that, you can use any text-to-speech AI tool like 11 Labs or Google Text-to-Speech AI. If you're just starting out and you don't want to pay for any text-to-speech AI, and you're looking for a completely free text-to-speech AI to use, then I recommend you watch this video on how to use the Google Text-to-Speech AI tool. Otherwise, go to 11labs.io and sign up for an account and log in. Select the speech synthesis option and choose the voice you want for your narration. 11 Labs offers a diverse selection of high-quality voices, each with its unique tone and character. 11 Labs has a voice for every occasion, whether you need a soothing, authoritative tone for a documentary, or a playful, youthful voice for a children's story. Explore the range of voices available and find the one that best conveys the emotion and style of your narration. In the 11 Labs interface, you'll typically find a text input area where you can paste or type the text that you want to convert to speech. This text can be the narration for your video or any other content you'd like to have spoken. Of course, in this case, it's the short story about Luna we generated with ChatGPT at the beginning. Once you've input the text and configured the desired options, initiate the speech generation process. 11 Labs will use AI to convert your text into spoken words. After the speech is generated, you can usually listen to the narration to ensure it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with the generated speech, you can download the audio file to your computer and save it in a format that is compatible with your video editing software. The final step is integrating the audio into your generated video clips. Import the downloaded audio file into your video editing software such as CapCut and synchronize it with your video timeline. This will add the professional voiceover narration to your animated video. And there you have it, the best AI text-to-animated video generator tools and a step-by-step guide to creating your own side hustle on YouTube. With the power of AI at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a storyteller, educator, or just someone with a passion to share, these tools will help you create content that captivates your audience and drives success on YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? Get creative, tell your story, and start building your YouTube empire today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials.